back to my YouTube. This is Jessie from GOLW. Today I'm going to introduce this new sneaker Yeezy 700 V3. I will show you the box first. Okay, 700. And this is the tag about these shoes. It's a simple shoes box. Let's back these shoes. Okay, let me check this detail. On this part is the mesh. You can slowly see the inside. And this part like a stitching or mesh. You can check this. And this material, I don't know how to say, but it can glow in the dark. I will show you in the video. This part can glow, very cool in the dark. And the toe box, this part, the V, that's not the regular materials with the Yeezy boost, with the Yeezy sneaker. Then like a rubber or what materials. See the box. And then we check the tongue. So you can see this has the 3M. It's can reflective. Not reflective. It's can have reflective. And the shoelaces is held like this way. You can see inside to hold the shoelaces, and here not a tag to hold, but that doesn't matter. And the tongue have two materials. This part is the mesh. When you touch this part, it's very soft. It's also, but it's different materials. And the heel is the same with the tongue. Okay, let's go back the heel. This have stitching in the middle. Okay, it's about the vamp, and we see the middle sole. I thought this sneaker is very cool when you wear it. Also, I will show you on feet. Okay, this part is a little higher, and the back have a shape like this, and this has Adidas. Yes. Okay, let's weigh back the bottom. The bottom color is very dope. So you can see have the blue and navy. No, blue, like deep blue colorway. And this, I don't know this what materials, so you can check. The color is very beautiful. And then we get the insole to check. Have a Yeezy print like a green color here. Okay, that's the insole. See the stitching? Stitching on the bottom is very nice. And on the tongue, here, tongue inside here has the tag. Have this tag. Okay, that's all about these shoes sneaker details. If you like this sneaker, you can contact me, and below this video you can find the shoe site and my customer review on my Facebook. Mine is green, just died. I'm very sad. And you see my customer review in my Facebook. Okay. See you next time. I hope you like this video.